How to file ITR 2025, a step-by-step guide for online, offline income tax return filing for I-26 income tax return filing 2025. As the Income Tax Department has enabled the Excel-based utilities of ITR1 and ITR4 to allow the offline ITR filing for FI 200 and 2425 I-200 and 2526, over 15,500 income tax returns ITR have been filed within a day on Saturday, May 31st. Out of these, 13,450 have been verified. The online ITR filing is yet to start. The last date to file ITR without penalty is September 15, 2025. Whether you're filing for the first time or are a regular taxpayer, understanding the online and offline ITR processes is crucial to avoid last-minute errors and penalties. Who needs to file ITR? Filing ITR is mandatory for individuals whose total income exceeds the basic exemption limit of Rs3 lakh under new tax regime. Under the old tax regime, the tax exemption limit is Rs3 lakh for those below 60, Rs3.5 lakh for senior citizens, and Rs5 lakh for super senior citizens 80. Additionally, filing is compulsory if you meet any of these criteria, and even if your income is below the threshold, filing ITR can be beneficial, especially to claim refunds, carry forward losses, or for use as income proof for loans or visa applications. Excel utility-based offline ITR filing, a step-by-step guide. Any taxpayer choosing offline mode rather than online mode to file income tax returns needs to use the offline utility for ITRs. With the utilities, you can file income tax returns ITRs by uploading the utility-generated JSON.1. Download utility. Visit incometax.government NN 2. Open and enable macros NN 3. Fill in details NN 4. Validate NN 5. Generate JSON NN 6. Upload JSON NN 7. Verify and submit NN. How to file ITR online. A step-by-step guide. Inline filing, or e-filing, is the most popular method and is done via the official income tax e-filing portal. Though online ITR filing has not started yet, hey raise how to do that. Step 1 register or log in. Step 2 choose the ITR form. Step 3 pre-fill and validate details. Step 4 upload documents. Step 5 submit and verify key documents required. Important dates and late filing penalty as and taxpayers missing the deadline may also lose the benefit of carrying forward losses. Swipe left for next video. According to the CBDT, the ITR forms for I-200 and 2526 were notified earlier this year with modifications to allow reporting of capital gains in ITR1 and ITR4, and with improved compatibility for pre-filled data. Whether you choose to e-file or opt for offline submission, filing your ITR on time ensures financial compliance and access to benefits such as tax refunds. Latest blogs